Hey there, business leaders. Today I'm diving into the 4 fundamental team types from the book Team Topologies by Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pais. Let's explore how they can transform your tech organization for fast flow. First up, we have stream-aligned teams. Imagine a software company working on a new app feature. A stream-aligned team would focus on delivering this feature from end to end. They handle everything from design to production, ensuring continuous value for customers. Think of them as the lifeblood of your product, always pushing forward. Next, we have enabling teams. These teams are like the secret sauce that helps stream-aligned teams overcome obstacles. Picture a team of security experts in your software company. They provide guidance and expertise, helping the stream-aligned team implement robust security measures efficiently. They're the wizards behind the curtain, making sure everything runs smoothly. Then there are complicated subsystem teams. Some components are just too complex for stream-aligned teams to handle. For example, in your software company, a dedicated team might manage a sophisticated data analytics system. Their specialized knowledge ensures that this complex subsystem evolves without burdening the stream-aligned teams. They're the specialized surgeons in your tech ecosystem. Finally, we have platform teams. These teams focus on building and maintaining an internal platform with reusable services and tools. Imagine a team creating a self-service infrastructure for your software company. They provide the necessary tools and components, reducing the cognitive load on stream-aligned teams. It's like giving your teams a high-tech playground where everything they need is at their fingertips. By mastering these 4 team types, you can transform your tech organization for faster, more efficient flow. Embrace the power of team topologies and watch your business thrive. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. Our vision is to create a network of like-minded leaders and entrepreneurs that want to make an impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us by subscribing for more insights on the latest trends in business management. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing 1 hour at a time.